The PAS, are you aware of this letter?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, I forwarded it to the office of the Executive Director.
Would you please provide us a copy of your endorsement? Kasi yung isa, yung mga letters ng September 13, may endorsement ka eh. Pero dito, do you have a copy of your endorsement?
It was sent through email, Your Honor.
Hindi po. Sagutin po niyo yung tanong ko.
No,
Hindi
Your
ko
Honor.
tinatanong kung paano mo sinend.
No,
Ang
Your
tanong ko
Honor.
po ay,
Because I sent
do
it
you have
through
a
email.
copy of your endorsement?
No, Your Honor, because I sent it through email. An attachment, Your
Kahit
Honor.
naman po email, pwede tayo kumuha ng kopya. Again, yung mga BEIs that we have issued subpoenaed, nabanggit na ba lahat yung mga BEIs? Okay. Sige. Okay na. Alright. Sige. Okay. So, any other members who wanted to ask questions? Chairman Akop, you are.
Thank you, Mr.
You are
Chair.
recognized.
Magandang umaga po sa lahat. May I ask Captain Bukalan, in last hearing, you were directed to submit a copy of the letter requesting for the transfer of polling place. Have you submitted that?
Not yet.
Nasaan yung letter na yun, Iho? Kasi gusto kong mabasa.
Ang request lang po sa akin is ito pong mga papel na to, yung regarding po do sa transfer po mismo sa voting
pero
center.
in the last hearing, sinabi mo sa hearing na gumawa ka ng sulat sa election officer na nagre-request ka rin na i-transfer yung polling place.
Nag-request po kami.
Yes, nag-request po kayo, di po ba?
Opo.
Ang directive sa iyo sa last hearing, ipakisubmit ng kopya ng letter na yon para makita namin kung totoo yung sinabi mo na nag-request ka talaga ng transfer ng voting center.
Yes, sir.
Do you have a copy of that today?
Wala po.
Pwede bang pakisubmit sa susunod na hearing kung magkakaroon ng next hearing?
Bali po kasi, tulad nga po na sinabi ko, yung mga papel po namin is, yung papel ko po na request, hindi ko na rin po alam kung nasan. Gawa po nung naglipatan po kami ng Basilan Tumarawi, hindi ko na rin po na manage yung mga papeles na yun.
So, ang sinasabi po ninyo dito sa committee na ito ay hindi na ninyo makita yung ginawa nyo yung sulat na yun.
Correct po.
Yeah, thank you. May I know if the regional director of COMELEC is present?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Good morning,
Ardi,
Your Honors.
are you aware of the letters, the alleged letters signed by the members of the electoral board requesting for the transfer of the voting center of Barangay Samal Village to Barangay Upper Port Holland? Are you aware of the existence of these letters?
Your Honor, please, I am not aware of this document, Your Honor. In fact, it was the first time when it was showed to me by Honorable Hataman just a while before the start of the hearing, Your Honor.
Thank you, RD. The provincial election supervisor, are you aware of such?
Yes, Your Honor. Of course.
You received a copy of this?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. When did you receive a copy of these letters?
September 25, Your Honor.
September 25?
Can you speak louder, the sir speaker, please? Please put the mic much closer.
The date of the letter was September 25 and we received it.
No. I'm speaking of the October 30, 2023 letter. Are you aware of this?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you received a copy of these letters?
The The letter for the transfer of the polling center, Your Honor.
Yes, it's dated October 30, 2023. Yung sinasabi mong letter is September, di po ba?
Yes po, nagkamali po.
Nagkamali ka.
I would like to rectify
Ngayon,
that.
matanong ko po sa inyo, sino po ang nagbigay sa inyo ng letter na ito?
The election officer, Your Honor.
The election officer was the one who gave you the copies of this letter. Tama?
Excuse me, election officer, please stop whispering to the resource speaker while he is being questioned by the members of this committee.
If you mean your...
Wait. I'm just
Ipaghiwalayin mo na lang sila, Mr. Chair.
I'm just trying to remind the resource speaker, EO Sheila Japarul, stop trying to coach the resource speaker. Ha? Eh, lalo kami nagdududa sa ginagawa mo. Because you're whispering something while the good gentleman from Antipolo is trying to ask questions. He can answer on his own, correct? Can you answer on your own?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Mr.
So
Chair,
stop coaching, please.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, you can proceed.
may I ask that the election officer sit farther away from the provincial election supervisor so that he
Okay,
will not be influenced in his answers?
What's the name of the gentleman who is speaking right now? Attorney De La Peña, you can sit here, much nearer, beside the PNP official, please. Please proceed, Chairman Romy Ako.
Yes.
Before you proceed, the Chair would like to recognize the presence of the handsome Congressman from Ormoc, Dan Fernandez, Richard Gomez. So, and also the gentlewoman from San Pedro City, Congresswoman Ann Matibag.
May I proceed, Mr. Chair? Mr. Chair, may I proceed?
Let's proceed, Chair Ako, please.
Thank you. Attorney De La Peña.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. You mentioned a while ago that you received also a letter dated September 25, 2023. Di po ba?
Opo.
Yes. May I know the contents of such letter?
Can you reply, Attorney De La Peña, please?
The date of the letter, Your Honor, is September 15.
September 15.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yan na po ang tama na date, Attorney.
No. Sorry.
Tingnan nyo, kasi maliwanag siguro naman yung date ng letter eh.
Ang date po ng endorsement ko po papunta sa Office of the Executive Director.
No. The date of the letter na
September 13, Your Honor.
September 13.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you endorse it to higher headquarters?
September 15, Your Honor.
September
15.
15. May I know the tenor of such letter?
It was an endorsement of the letter request from Colonel Pututan and the Chief of Police, Mahdi, to transfer polling centers.
The election we're talking about was supposed to be conducted October 30, di po ba?
Yes po.
And at that point in time, September 13, meron ng request na i-transfer yung voting center.
Yes po.
And matanong ko po kayo, hindi po ba may mga provision po ng batas kung kailan at pwedeng i-transfer yung voting center?
Yes po.
Yes. Yung bang request po nila, yung rason na inilagay, ay naaayon po sa ating batas?
That was...
No. Sagutin mo yung tanong ko. Naaayon ba sa batas yung rason na binigay sa sulat kung bakit inililipat yung voting center?
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Opo.
PS, attorney, bakit mo in-endorse sa taas? Samantalang at your level, dapat pala hindi mo na in-endorse kasi alam mo na hindi naayon sa batas. You're a lawyer.
Yes, sir. But the matter involved security issue, Your Honor.
Bakit, ano po yung alam nyo yung security when you are the provincial election supervisor? Hindi ka naman yung nasa ground mismo eh. Matanong ko, what national security issues included there?
The endorser of the letter, Your Honor, mentioned that there is a security risk.
Saan po galing yung letter? Sabi nyo, ulitin nyo nga po. Sa
Okay.
election officer?
Colonel Pututan po, from the election officer, endorsing it.
Colonel Pututan.
Opo.
At that point in time, alam na may national security issue. Ano po yung, nandito po ba yung battalion commander?
Andito
Mr.
po.
Chair?
Yes, I think we have invited the battalion commander of Basilan. Are you here? General... si Colonel Pututan, nandiyan si Colonel. Colonel Pututan, can you kindly sit and be prepared on some query of Congressman Acop?
Colonel, have you taken your oath?
Yes, Your Honor. Last hearing po.
Yes. Narinig niyo po yung sinabi ni Attorney De La Peña, di po ba? Na kayo po ay gumawa ng request na i-transfer yung voting center dahil sa national security issue. Do you agree with that?
Yes, Your Honor. But the content of my request is ang Samal Village po ay ma-retain doon sa Samal Village.
Yung bang request po ninyo kasama yung barangay Samal Village?
Yes, Your Honor.
Na ma-retain.
Mr.
ma-retain
Chair,
po.
may I get a copy from the PES regarding the letter of Colonel Pututan?
Attorney De La Peña, do you have the copy of the letter of the
September
battalion
13.
commander? September, Congressman Acop? 13. Do you have a copy? Please submit it right away. Right now. Right here. Give it to the gentleman from Antipolo, please.
No. This is your endorsement. Yung letter request ang hinihiling ko, Attorney De La Peña. Ito yung endorsement mo of that letter.
It's not with
Yung
me.
letter mismo ni Colonel Pututan.
I don't have a copy right now, Your Honor.
You don't have a copy of that?
Right now, Your Honor, I don't have
And
a
you
copy.
have a copy of the endorsement?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a copy of the endorsement, pero yung ini-endorse mo, walang kopya? How is that?
I did not bring it, Your Honor.
Why did you not bring it when you, in fact, you know that it's very vital so far as this investigation is concerned?
If you please, Your Honor, can I ask a copy from the election officer? Yes.
Sige.
Are you trying to tell me that the election officer has a copy of that letter?
Yes, Your Honor, because she was the one who endorsed it to me.
Oh, Mr. Chair, may we ask the election officer? Nagtuturuan na sila
Okay. A while ago, EO Sheila Japarul, you told this hearing that you don't have the received letter, no, coming from Captain Bukalan. So, please answer the query of Congressman Acop, stating that according to the PES, Attorney De La Peña, meron kang kopya nung endorsement coming from the army.
Sir, I have all the requests, sir.
Oh, meron? Yun September.
September 15.
Can you kindly give it to us right now?
September 15, sir?
That,
Sir, it was a series of requests, sir.
a while ago, meron ka rin kopya.
Yes, sir.
Oh, meron pala. Pero kanina
September.
sinasabi mo wala ka.
No, I did not say I don't have, sir. What I don't have was the request of the EBs.
BEIs.
Wala po ako ng BEIs.
Wala kang request na galing sa BEIs.
On the October.
Noong October 30.
Wala po. Yan,
Pero
wala
prior
po, sir.
to that, meron kang kopya.
That one, sir? Wala
No,
po, sir.
nung October 30, wala kang kopya.
Wala po, sir.
Pero prior to October 30, may mga kopya kang hawak. Yung sinasabi mo right now.
Request for clustering po to, sir.
Request for clustering yan.
Yes,
Is
sir.
that the one you're asking, Congressman Acop? The letter of clustering?
Mr.
Or
Chair.
we are, actually, ang pinag-uusapan
Clustering.
natin dito, yung request for transfer. Di ba? Am I right, Congressman Acop?
Yes,
Oh.
because the endorsement of the PAS that the subject is request for transfer of voting center.
Exactly. Yun ang sinasabi namin dito. We are talking about yung transfer. We're not talking about the clustering. So, ang tinatanong namin sa iyo ngayon, EO, kung meron kang na-receive, na-request,
Yes, sir. Coming from the AFP, sir. Yes po.
meron kang galing, kanina sabi mo wala.
No, what I mean, sir, I do not have the request on the day of election,
Okay,
October
alright.
30.
So, ang meron ka
Yes, sir.
prior to October 30.
Prior to October 30,
Please,
sir,
give
meron
it to
po
us. Para makita po namin.
Especially yung September 13.
So, ang wala lang siya is October 30. But there was a prior communication request coming from Captain, papunta sa iyo. And also the BEIs prior to October 30.
Yes, sir.
Meron ka din.
Opo.
Sige. Give it to us. Kaya ano muna,
Mr.
kay
Chair,
Congressman Acop muna,
bago-
pakita niyo muna. Because he's the one questioning the resource speaker. Sige, go ahead. With the
Leo.
indulgence of Congressman Acop,
Don't-
will you allow Mujib Pataman to interject? Sige, go ahead, Mujib.
Batcom, kinapututan, doon ba sa request nyo nung September 13 kasama ang Samal Village for clustering?
Yung request ko po sir doon, buong Maluso po. Kinakluster po namin yung mga barangays.
Kaya nga, sagutin na lang nyo ang tanong ko para
Kasama po.
mabilis. Ang Samal Village kasama doon sa propose nyo i-cluster to Maluso National High School sa Upper Portolan?
No, Your Honor.
Hindi kasama sa request nyo ha? For the record, yung Samal Village.
As per request po namin doon, hindi siya kasama.
Mr. Chair,
Sige, Congressman Acop, please.
thank you. PAS, nabasa mo rin tong 13 September 2023, tama?
Opo.
Now, may kung nandito sa request ni Colonel Pututan at saka Police Major Mahadi na i-transfer yung voting center ng Samal Village. May nandito ba?
Wala
Wala.
po.
Wala.
Yes, sir.
Election officer, totoo rin, alam mo na wala ring request for transfer yung armed forces at saka police na i-transfer yung voting center ng Samal Village?
Yes, sir. On that
Sa request nila,
sir.
hindi. Sa request nila, kasi nandito na sa akin wala man akong makita na na i-transfer dapat na nire-recommend ng AFP at saka PNP. Wala Are you aware of this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, ang nangyari, sinasabi nyo po sa aming committee na yung BEI lang ang nag-request na i-transfer yung voting center ng Samal Village. Tama? because of their letters na dated October 30. Tama?
Sir, after that request, sir, may na-receive naman akong ibang request, sir, dated September 25.
Kanino galing?
Signed by First Lieutenant Daniel Bukalan and Police Major Nursaybar Mahadi.
Pwedeng bigyan nyo kami ng kopya po ng letter na yun?
Opo, sir.
Itong September 25 election officer, ito na yung nagre-request si hindi na yung battalion commander, yung commanding officer na, at saka yung chief of police ng Maluso na bago, yung dating chief of police ng Maluso, Basilan, si Police Major Mahadi. Ito na yung dokumento na nagre-request sila na i-transfer. Addressed to the Provincial Election Supervisor. The PAS, are you aware of this letter?
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, I forwarded it to the Office of the Executive Director.
Would you please provide us a copy of your endorsement? Kasi yung isa, yung mga letters ng September 13, may endorsement ka eh. Pero dito, do you have a copy of your endorsement?
It was sent through email, Your Honor.
Hindi. Sagutin po niyo yung tanong ko.
No,
hindi
Your
ko
Honor.
tinatanong kung paano mo sinend.
No,
Ang
Your
tanong
Honor.
ko po ay,
Because I sent
do
it
you have
through
a
email.
copy of your endorsement?
No, Your Honor, because I sent it through email. An attachment, Your Honor.
Kahit naman po email, pwede tayo kumuha ng kopya.
Yes po.
So can you, may copy po ba kayo? Wala. Sige, Congressman Paduano, with the indulgence of Congressman Acop. Sige, go ahead.
Attorney, diretso ba ang tanong ni Chairman Acop? Do you have a copy of your endorsement?
No.
Wala.
Opo.
Sigurado ka wala?
Wala po.
So wala ha? Kasi iba yung email. Pag in-email mo yan, it's not an endorsement. Tama?
Tama po.
Ang endorsement, alam mo naman yan, attorney, you're a lawyer. Pag sinabi mong endorsement, dapat in-endorse mo yung request sa baba. Tama?
May I be allowed to explain,
Hindi.
Your Honor?
Tanungin mo na kita. Sagutin mo na. Tama ba ang pagkaintindi ko ng endorsement?
Tama po kayo.
Okay, tama. So
Opo.
wala kang endorsement?
Wala po.
Wala. Oh, so wala. Chairman. Now, nagre-request siya na magsalita, Chairman.
Okay. So, in other words, wala endorsement. So, you want to explore your answer?
If I may, Your Honor.
Sige, Congressman Acop, will you allow the resource speaker to explore his answer? Oh, go ahead, Attorney De La Peña.
I merely attach the request through email. I made it as an attachment addressed to the Office of the Executive Director.
But have you written in your email certain statements that you endorsed that attachment?
I can request from my clerk.
No.
Your Honor.
I'm asking nga kung sinulat mo sa attachment ng letter na ini-endorse mo yung letter na yon.
Certainly, Your Honor. I can get a screenshot of that.
Can you
email.
kindly submit it to us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have a copy in your cell phone right now?
No, Your Honor. No, it was an official email from the office.
Sandali.
Sige, Congressman.
Chairman, isa na lang po. Mukhang nakakalito yung sagot mo siya, attorney, kasi sabi mo kanina, wala kang endorsement. Then you are telling this committee that you have an endorsement, kukuha ka pa ng kopya. Sabi mo kanina, email. Then, tinanong kita, is an email dun sa request, is an endorsement? Sabi mo, hindi. So you made an endorsement, sabi mo, wala. Now you're telling now, mayroon.
If I
Attorney,
may...
ha?
Yes, sir.
PES ka,
Opo.
under oath ka.
Yes, sir.
Kasi pag pina-check namin sa central office na wala kang endorsement, nagsisinungaling ka.
Opo.
So you're now standing that you have an endorsement?
If I may change my previous statement, if it's called an endorsement, then I will abide by the nomenclature endorsement, Your Honor. Perhaps I made a mistake. If I may be allowed to rectify it, I made an endorsement.
You made an endorsement.
Yes, sir.
Be careful on
Chairman?
what you're stating on this hearing, attorney. Very crucial itong pinag-uusapan natin because we are trying to find out kung sino sa inyo ang mga nagsisinungaling. Kasi pabago-bago po kayo ng statement. So, clarify ko lamang, So, in-attach niyo po yung yung letter.
Opo.
And while attaching it, you put on your email na sinasabi nyo na ini-endorse nyo tong letter na to.
That's correct, sir.
So, ganun ang pagkakatema ng email po ninyo.
Opo.
So, klaro na in-endorse po ninyo yun.
Opo.
So, a while ago, you were telling us na no endorsement. So, this time, in-endorse nyo po pala.
Opo.
O, yun, at least klaro.